Good morning students, welcome to math session. Now children, as you know we are doing our chapter number 12 multiplication. We finished with our part 1 in which we learned multiplying by tens. We finished part 2 in which I taught you multiplication through lattice method. Today we will be doing part 3, chapter number 12 multiplication part 3. What will be the topic for today? Topic for today will be multiplying 2-digit numbers. Okay, that is lattice method. In our first part 2 we did multiplying 2-digit number by 1-digit number, but today we will doing 2-digit by 2 number. Okay, and through lattice method. So children, as you can see on your screen, there are 2 numbers, that means 4 numbers we are going to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit. So 25 into 12. Our first question is, now in the first when we were doing in our previous session, I taught you how you are going to multiply by one number. Okay, that is 1 digit with 2 digit or 2 digit with 1 digit. Today I will show you in lattice method how you are going to multiply 2 digit by 2 digit. Now children, the question is 25 by 12. As I told you, what you are going to do, you are going to make rows and column. Okay, then you are going to put multiplication sign first and you are going to split the number. Now the first number that we are going to split is, we'll split this 25 first. So we will write 20 and 5. Okay, done. Now we have 12. What I told you in our previous session, you will put multiplication sign, then below that multiplication sign you will write the number. Okay, that is, now here the number is 12. So we will split that number also 12, that is 10, and 2 will be 12. It is just a expanded form. We have to write in expand. We have to expand the number. Okay. So 20 and 5 we have wrote, that will become 25, and 10 and 2 will be below the multiplication sign. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to multiply 20 by 10 first. Okay. So we don't know the table of 20. So what we will do is, we will say the table of 2 first. So 2 ones will be 1. And how many 0 children? 1 0 is in 20 and 1 0 is in 10. So we will write here 2 zeros. Okay. So 20 into 10 will become 200. And then we will multiply this 5 by 10. So 5 tens will be 50. Okay. Now, understood children? This in that row and column, in the second row and column you have written 250. In one column 200 and in another column you have written 50. Now it's time to multiply the next number, that is the number 2. So I'll show you how you are going to multiply by 2 now. Okay. Now this 20 you will multiply by 2. First you have multiplied by 10 and you got the answer 250. And now you are going to multiply 20 by 2. Again you don't know the table of 20, so you are going to multiply 2 twos. So 2 twos will be 4, and then the 0 which is there in the 20 you will write next to 4. So 20 multiplied by 2 will become 40. Okay. And then you are going to multiply 5 by 2. Okay. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos will be 10. Okay, now wait, I'll show you now the next step. So now what we have finished over this multiplying. Now in our previous session, how we did addition of our answers, now we will add this. We'll do the addition of this number children. Wait. See. So now what I am going to add? I am going to add, wait, I'll add it here so I get the place. 200. Children, always you will add below one another number. Like if I have written 200, then what is the number below 200? 40. So I'll write 40. Okay. Then I will write the number 50. Then I will write the number 10. Okay. And then I am going to add. Just a second. Wait. Okay, so now I will add this. So 0 plus 0 will be 0. I'll put a plus sign, children. I'm not having a place, but you have to add properly in your book, okay? So 4 plus 5 will be 9. To that 9, if I add this 1, it will be 10. So 0 here and 1 will be carry over. 2 plus 1 will be 3. Okay, so what answer I got? 300. What is my answer? 300. So you have to add the answer which you have multiplied. When you multiply, and the answer which you get by doing the multiplication, you have to add the all the 4 answer, and that answer after adding which you get is your answer. Okay, children. Now next. Okay. Now number can't be wait. Okay. 43 multiply by 23. Okay. What is our question? 43 multiply by 23. Here I will show you now. First rows and column you have made. You will put multiplication sign. This 43 you are going to split. That is 40 and 3. Then this multiplication we have already done. Then we will split this 23. That is 20 and 3. Okay. Till here you understood? Now I will show you what you are going to do the next step. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to multiply this 40 by 20. Now children, again here, I don't know 40 is table. So what I will do? I will first multiply 4 by 2. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So I get my answer 8. Now I have 1 0 in 40 and 1 0 in 20. So I will write both the zeros here. So when I multiply 40 by 20, I get my answer 800. Now I will multiply 3 by 20. Okay, again I don't know the table of 3. So I will first multiply 3 by 2. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So I will write 6 here. Now in 21 0 is there. So I will write that 0 here. So when I multiply 3 multiply by 20, I get my answer 60. Okay children. Now till here we are done. Now the next is 3 now. What we are going to do? We are going to multiply 40 by 3. Okay. So we don't know the table of 40. So we will say the table of 4. We will multiply the 4 by 3 first. Okay. So 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are will be 12. Now in 41 0 is there. So we will write it here. So when we multiply 40 by 3, I get my answer 120. Okay. Wait. So okay. Now I am going to multiply 3 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. So children done, I got my answer 860, 120 and 9. Now what I will do? I will add this. Okay. So let me add. I need to have place. Just a second children. Okay. So 800, 120, 60 and 9. Okay. Children, here I am not having place. So I will write the answer here. Okay. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. Okay. And 2 plus 6 will be 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. So what I get my answer? 989. Okay. What I added? The answer which I got by multiplying the numbers. That is 800 first you will write. Then below 800 is 120. Then 60. Then 9. When I add all these numbers, I get my answer 989. Okay. Next. Now multiply 62 by 30. Now see children, this is a empty row and column. Okay. Now we will fill in this. The numbers we will arrange. Okay. The first number is 62. First thing what I told you, after making row and column, what you are going to do? You are going to put, I'll take a different color. You are going to put a multiplication sign first. Then you are going to split this number, that is 62. So 60 and 2. Okay. And then 13. So 10 and 3 will become 13. Okay. Because 1 is in tens place. So 10 and 3 below multiplication sign. Now the next step is what? We are going to multiply. what we are going to multiply? 60 by 10. Again, we don't know the 60 table, so we are going to say the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. So we are going to write here, we multiplied 6 by 1. Now there is 1 0 in 6 and 1 0 in 10. So we'll put 2 zeros here. Okay. Now we will write 2 tens are. 2 tens are is 20. Okay. So this multiplication is over. 62 into 10 is over. Now we are going to multiply 60 into 3. So 6 threes are 18. Okay. So we have 1 0 in 60. So we'll write 0 here. So 60 into 3 will get our answer 118. Okay. 2 threes are, we will get our answer 6. So after multiplying, what we are getting? 620, 180 and 6. Now let us add this number. Okay, so let us add 600, 180, 20 and 6. Okay. Okay. Now 0 plus 6 will be 6. 8 plus 2, 10. So we'll write 0 here, 1 we will carry over. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So what answer I am getting? 806. What is my answer? 806. Now next. Now 32 multiply by 4. Again here it is a row and column. Let us first arrange the number. First we are going to write the multiplication sign. Okay, wait. I will write it properly. Okay, then I will split this number, that is 30 and 2. Then I have 14. So 10 and 4. Understood, children? Now let us multiply 3 by 1 first. 3 ones are 3. And we have 1 0 in 30 and 1 0 in 10. So we'll put 2 zeros. So 30 into 10 will become 300. Now 2 into 10. 2 tens will be 20. Done, children, the first part. Now we have to multiply 30 and 2 into 4. So 3 fours will be 12. Okay. And we have 1 0 in 2. So we'll write the 0 here. So 30 into 4 we will get 120. And 2 fours we get 800. Okay. So what we got? 300, 120, 20 and 8. Let us add this number now all together. So the first number I am going to write is 300, 120, 20 and 8. Okay. So 0 plus 8 will be 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 1, 5. So what answer I get? 548. When I add 300, 120, 20 plus 8, I get my answer 548. Okay. I hope, children, you are understanding this sum. Next, 13 multiply by 27. Let us start. I have made already rows and columns. So we will arrange the number first. Multiplication sign. First number is 13. So we are going to write 10 and 3. The second number is 27. So 20 and 7. Okay. So let us multiply. First we will multiply 1 by 2. So 1 2s are 2. How many 0? 1 0 in 10 and 1 0 in 20. So 20 by 10 multiply by 20, we get our answer 200. Okay. Now 3 multiply by this 20. So 3 2s are 6. Now 1 0 in 20 we will write beside that. Okay. So 3 multiply by 20, we get our answer 60. Now 10 sevens are 70. Okay. And 3 sevens are 21. So I will write here 21. Okay. Now next step, what is that? I am going to add 200 plus 70 plus 60 plus 21. Let us add 200, 70, 60, 21. Okay. Now 0 plus 1 will be 1. 7 plus 6, After 7 we'll add more 6 to that. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 will be 13. 13 plus 2, 14, 15. So I will write here 5 and 1 I will carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. So what answer I get? I get my answer 351. Okay. Next. Multiply 56 by 16. Now here rows and columns are already I have made. We'll arrange the numbers first. Multiplication sign. Then first I'll split this 56. So 50 and 6. Then I split this 16, 10 and 16. Now I will multiply 5 ones are 5. And how many 0? 1, 2. So I'll put this 2 0. So 15 to 10 will be 500. And 10 6 are or 6 10s are will be 60. Okay. Now I will multiply this 50 to this 6. 5 6 are 30. And how many 0 in 50? 1. So I'll write 1 0 here. Then 6 6 are 36. Done. Now we are going to add this number, that is 500 plus 300 plus 60 plus 36. Let us add. Okay, 500 plus 300. Wait children, I like just, I need place. Okay, 500, 300, 60 and 36. Okay. So I will add it and write the answer here because I am having no place. 0 plus 6 will be 6. 6 plus 0 will be again 6. 6 plus 3 9. 5 plus 3 will be 8. Okay. So what answer I get? 896. Understood children? Next. Multiply 71 multiply by 12. Let us arrange the number. First the multiplication sign. Then 70 and 1. Okay. Then for 12, 10 and 2. Again here 7 ones are 7 and 1, 2, 0. So 1, 2. So when we multiply 70 multiply by 10, we get 700. Okay. Now 1 tenza. 1 tenza is 10. Okay. Now we are going to multiply 70 by 2. So 7 2s are 14 and 0 we will write it here. So 70 multiplied by 2 is 140 and 1 2s are 2. Now we are going to add 700 plus 140 plus 10 plus 2. Okay, so let us add 700 plus 140 plus 10 plus, wait. Okay, and you will put plus. And children, I am not having place. You will write in the book properly and neatly. Okay, 0 plus 2 will be 2, 4 plus 1 will be 5 and 7 plus 1 will be 8. So what is my answer? 852. Next, 29 multiply by 29. Now children, here both the numbers are 29. Let us arrange them. First multiplication sign, 20 and 9, and here also 20 and 9. Okay, so what we will do? 2 2s are, so 2 2s are will be 4 and 2 zeros, 1. Okay, 1 in this 20 and 1 the upper 20. So this will become 400. Okay, now 2 9s are 18 and 1 0 in 20, so we will write it that. Again we are going to multiply 20 by 9. Okay, so 2 9s are 18 and 1 0 in 20, so we will write that. So 180. 9 9s are 81. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add 400 plus 180 plus 180 plus 81. Let us add. (180, 180, 181. Okay, so let us add. Now 0 plus 1 will be 1. 8 plus 8 will be 16. To that 16 if I add 8, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 4 I will write here and 2 I will carry over. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So I get my answer 841. When I add this I get my answer 841. So with this children, we finish our today's session of multiplication of a 2-digit by 2-digit number. Okay, through lattice method. This also children you have to write in your notebook on a fresh page. Write today's date, write the topic, give the heading chapter number 12 multiplication. Don't write the part number. Okay, just write the topic of the lesson, and then every sum which I have given in this slide has to be written in your notebook and solved it. Okay children, so bye, see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. See you soon.